I'm sad, guys. I am so sad. It's my last day in Jamaica, and I literally want to cry. I literally want to cry. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I wish I could stay in Jamaica forever. Gosh. Anyway, we're got the beach, guys. We're not getting a depression mode right now. Check that out, guys. It looks peaceful today. Okay, that's good. Wow, this is beautiful. Hold on the beach. Let me find a nice spot for my phone and then we go to the beach. Come along with me. Let me show you guys a close up of the water. Guys, isn't it beautiful? Isn't it so freaking beautiful? The sad part about it is that I cannot swim, so don't expect no swimming from Drama Queen. However, Drama Queen will come to the beach just to come to the beach. Yeah. So there are people here, guys. I'm not alone. There are people here. That's good. Um, if I was alone, I would probably think pirates would come and get me. So I would probably be scared. But when we're at Richmond Estate, the private beach is right here. We could just come. It's a private beach, so you're not gonna get all the other amenities, but it's clean. It used to be dirty. Now it's clean. I love the fact that it's clean. You could tell that they're cleaning it, and it's always rough, guys, but it's calm today. Not bad today. It's my last day in Jamaica, guys. It's my last day in Jamaica, and that sucks. That sucks. So I'm just gonna go stupid today. I'm just gonna go stupid today. Nowhere to put the camera, yeah, so come on, camera. Guys, I know me I do them a vlogging here today, you know, but the show must go on. The show must go on. So I'll stay right here. Anyway, guys, this is how Drama Queen do beach in Jamaica. That's it. I'm done with the beach. If I had some food, I would sit and eat the food. But that's how we do beach in Jamaica, guys. Me not gonna more than that. Me can't swim first and foremost, so I'm not gonna chuck off in that water. But guess what? I came to the beach. Yes, I came to the beach. So let me show you a close up of the water again, and then we are out of here. Look at that. I didn't even notice. That's a hotel, guys. It's a small one. I hope I'm not giving you wrong information, but it looks like a hotel. Definitely. Hmm. All right, guys, let's go wash our feet. Yes, guys. Drama Queen went to the beach by herself in Jamaica, and nothing didn't happen to her, guys. All of my people were afraid to come back home to Jamaica. Drama Queen went to the beach by herself, and nothing didn't happen to her. It was like 8 a.m. in the morning, and I jumped in my car, drove to the beach, and I'm okay. So, copy that. Um, do you go to the beach in Jamaica, guys? Where do you go to the beach in Jamaica? Have you ever been to this beach? Would you come to this beach? So, I'm gonna go to Clarendon. I'm not sure if I'm taking you with me. If I'm not taking you guys with me, this is where the vlog will end. So I'm gonna close this right now. Go take some pictures. Yes, guys, I always have my clicker to take my own pictures for Instagram, of course. So I'm gonna take some pictures. We go get some fish, and I go buy my mom to cook some food.